Hey everyone, if Excalidraw keyboard shortcuts are not working, hotkeys aren't responding, common commands such as copy, paste, undo, or redo fail to work, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw keyboard shortcut problems in 2026. Another common fix is refreshing the page and reopening your drawing. Temporary browser glitches can sometimes interfere with keyboard input handling. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers may cause compatibility issues that affect keyboard shortcuts and other interactive features. You should also check whether your keyboard is functioning properly outside of Excalidraw. Open another application and test the same key combinations. Another helpful step is disabling browser extensions temporarily. Productivity tools, keyboard remappers, ad blockers, and accessibility extensions can sometimes override or block shortcut commands. If you're using Excalidraw through another application such as Obsidian or Logsec, verify that both the host application and the Excalidraw integration are updated to the latest versions. And that's how to fix Excalidraw keyboard shortcuts not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, checking keyboard focus, disabling conflicting extensions, and reviewing shortcut conflicts will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.